I mark open in 4 minutes, in freaking 4 minutes, in freaking 4 minutes, in freaking 4 minutes because I woke up late again. But it's all my fault actually, so it's whatever. Holy frick, what is this? Last night, I don't even know how I woke up late, but I literally freaking went to sleep at 11 o'clock and I wasn't feeling it. And then I freaking went to sleep at 11 o'clock and just woke up crazy, woke up pretty like, woke up like 7 and went back to sleep for a little bit. But I was like asleep, but you're like asleep, but you're awake at the same time, so you're going, so you know like you're gonna wake up soon, because you know you're gonna wake up soon. But I guess I just went back and slumped out, I guess. Alright, so we're pretty bearish right now, that's all I'm gonna say. The 1 hour's bullish right now because it just broke the structure up. How do you not care? We're in the same spot that we were yesterday. So as y'all can see, we barely moved, we barely did anything. We have triple stacked highs. We have these lows, they're pretty bearish. I'm just gonna have an overall bearish bias today. So one thing I want us to do is honestly sweep these 5-minute lows on both indexes if we have some right here. We already swept them, so that's good. We swept them on ES, then sweep on NASDAQ, waiting for NASDAQ to sweep. Actually, we swept them on NASDAQ. So maybe we're going to go down to 1 minute, get a resweep right here, or maybe S&T, a little S1 minute S&T. But one index is need a resweep, and see confirmation that we want to go up here. So that's all we're going to need. Inverse or gaps right here, so inverse to go up to these highs right here. I think we want those before we go lower. Or we'll just go lower, because, I don't know. I mean, we kind of gaps. This thing's gonna close. We have this 30-minute gap we can play into, and that's pretty much it. We might just want to wait for the 30-minute gap to play into. We'll see what market's doing right now. Market is freaking OP. And then sweep. This can count as a resweep too, honestly, these lows. Okay, NASDAQ's really boring down for some odd reason. I mean, we do have, I don't know, Asian lows right there. I guess we will want these lows. I think the move today is playing this far out. You never know. But anyways, we'll see. I could just continue a little bit. Continuation trades to the downside. If we start pushing down, we'll just wait for a retrace. And that'll be a confirmation to go down lower. This is the resweep that we wanted to see. We didn't quite see on ES, so we could be getting an S&T, a 1 minute S&T. But other than that, we just have to be patient. This is the last time I'm waking up late unless I'm sick or something. Unless I get home. Just ES is obviously more bullish than NASDAQ. But it's failing these over.
Okay, go check on Granny at the shop today, see if she needs any help.
Okay.
Alright, love you. See you later.
Let me see what I maybe ES rolls here. Holy smokes. Alright, this would be all that we need to for confirmation to go up, We can honestly just trade to the 30-minute gap. Holy freaking move without us, bro. Oh. Yo, did Donald Trump just tweet or what? Now let's see where we have to wait for a retrace because it moved without us. Holy freak, bro. I mean, that's free. That was free, baby. I hope we can start getting some kind of retrace, bro. Okay, so y'all saw that exactly what I said was gonna happen, so it's kind of lame the game went without us, so it's kind of frustrating. Not frustrating, just pretty annoying because I kind of wanted to take that trade. Whatever. That was freaking lame, isn't it? I mean, yes, it's skyrocketing right now. This is one of those things where if NASDAQ breaks structure right here, you have to trade. Because it's not going to go back down. Okay, we're expecting a 30-minute gap. Low key, that's all we wanted for shorts, though. And we swept this. Low key, this could be good for shorts. This break right here, we low key swept this. If both indexes are looking good for shorts, I'm down, bro. We just want ES to inverse this gap too. And NASDAQ obviously already broke structure. But we just want to wait for ES to inverse this gap as well. And then for NASDAQ to keep maintaining this bearish structure. And then we're chilling. Or ES to make a bullish candle and then make a bearish candle to break structure out of it. That'd be fire, bro. But you never know. Okay, so like I said, that's all we need for Confluence to go down. But ES is so bullish. ES has been bullish all day. Honestly, I don't see why NASDAQ wouldn't want to take out these triple stack highs. And we still have winning highs, basically. Never mind, it's pre-market. I don't see why NASDAQ wouldn't want to take it out. So honestly, if ES would stop being so freaking weird and follow the high time frame bias for the day, we could catch a short. Off of this SMT. This is literally an SMT. Where is this high? 7 o'clock. What high is this, bro? 7 o'clock high? 7 o'clock, okay, no, technically it's an SMT. So ES would just break structure with NASDAQ and have a jolly good time. This would be amazing. Okay, now we're just camping ES to wait, bro. Honestly, how much is 2 ES means? A whole K, bro? What the hell? I think it's... Okay, it'd honestly be annoying if the index went without us again, bro. Alright, so the trade we're gonna take for the day, honestly. Holy frick. Okay, bro, just go without us like you already did the other time. Holy fuck, bro. This is that lame shit, bro. Hold on, we're gonna snipe. Okay, we're just chill. Okay, the risk on this one is terrible. The risk on this one is god awful, but this is not the risk that we want to risk. But this is the trade we want to take. Okay. We know NASDAQ's gonna come down here. Where's the 4 hour gap we marked out? It's that one. Really? Is how 4 hour gap? Holy freaking chop fest, bro. It has triple step lows though. Well, maybe I shouldn't have traded this. Okay, we're just gonna have to trail crazy, bro. We're gonna be trailing crazy. Okay, NASDAQ is super bearish. I would have loved to trade NASDAQ, but it's just going without us. And I don't know if I wanted to sweep this low out, but I don't think it did because look how bearish we were, bro. We didn't break structure once yesterday. Once. We didn't break structure at all. Well, we technically didn't break structure here either. I think it's gonna be a slow one like how it was yesterday on our stream. My vocal late, we're still catching maybe. If ES would just want to go down already with NASDAQ, because I mean, look at this, bro. There's no way to sweep out these lows and that's it. I feel like we want to go even lower than this. At least come down, sweep those lows, and then at least come down, sweep this, and then at least tap the 4 hour gap. Holy fucking pushback, bro. I mean, retrace, but frick, bro. Yo, I low-key did not know we were in a 5-minute gap. You might be chilling. I did not like the risk on this trade. There's no way that's it, we just go up after that. Oh, holy ES shit fast, bro. Oh my god, ES can't follow the DAC for anything, bro. I just don't see any reason we should go up, honestly. The straight from Ross is closed, bro. Come on. You don't want to go up, bro. I genuinely don't see any reason to go up. I literally can't see it. Other than a retrace to come back down. Because we didn't get one earlier. Like, look at this. This is what we'd be wanting to go into. A gap like this, little finding a retrace and versus gap. That's literally what we would be looking for if we waited for the retrace. And honestly, after this retrace, we can switch our stops to like above here. Come on, yes, you know you want to go down, bro. Come on, yes, come on. Yes, stop playing with my feelings right now. It's okay, though. We're chilling, bro. We're chilling. Amber's the gap, Amber's the gap. We're Amber's the gap on the next candle, bro. On the next one. You know, the first one to do it, the next one can always do it. Oh, if I was waiting for this retrace, I'd genuinely be pissed off. If this goes without. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, I think we can move stops down like a little above here, just in case it gets swept. But I would genuinely be crashing out, bro. I mean, obviously not crashing out, but I would be crazy. See if the market just went out with. Oh, frick, bro. Oh, brother, don't tell me we just want to sweep these out too. Oh, Nasdaq's going down crazy. Was the Nasdaq retrace a little bit better? I mean, I guess you could take this, but the rest of it would be kind of butt. I don't know if I'm making my stops here still. I think I keep them right here until we're done. Okay, bro, that's insane. Look how bull bearish Nasdaq is. It's just slightly going up. Yes, it's just teleporting, bro. Tell me you can't go down a couple more ticks. You can't go down like 30 more ticks, bro. You have no reason to go up. Already swept out all these highs, bro. I'm gonna guess these lows push up higher and then just mark out these triple stacked out. But what's the point in going up? Genuinely, bro. What's the point in going up? I genuinely have to close out because it's already above my freaking what I want to raise. I had to, bro. I had to. It's already above what I want to risk, bro. I can't. But this is genuinely when longs start to look good up here, bro. That's just annoying, bro, honestly. I mean, longs do look good now. Yeah, these triple stacked highs, but ES just already took out everything, bro. So I don't see a point. I don't know, I'd rather not blow my account and take a dumb trade. I'm sure you only like 500 something. 6, bro, what the hell? Whatever. Okay, this isn't showing until I wait later, but whatever. I don't think it's going up at all, bro, honestly. I mean, this bigger structure, but stops right here, bro. Yeah, I know, I'm not trying to blow my account over some dumb trade, bro. It honestly should have gone down. I can see it just me looking back on the charts later and just tanks all the way down to here, bro. Longs look good, shorts look good. It's just, I don't know, bro. I don't think we want to go up any higher. Jenny don't care, I'm taking another short. I don't care, bro. If I lose, bro, I lose, bro. I'm feeling this, bro. I'm genuinely feeling this one, bro. I'm gonna trail crazy, bro. I'm trailing crazy. If I can't profit. Okay, but it's not even an autistic trade. It's just because shorts just feel like insane. Like it feels like dumb not for the market to go down. But we're low-key so bullish right now. Maybe this is what the market wanted to go back up. I'm out of this, bro. This is unprofitable trading if I've seen it myself, bro. ES already swept these highs. NASDAQ failed to get up there. S&T, so I don't know why we want to go even higher. Breaker structure, inverse fair value gap. Breaker structure, inverse fair value gap. I don't see us going any higher. It's just stupid to go higher. It's literally like the dumbest thing ever. I can't see it. Literal S&T, bro. Literal S&T. Breaker structure, inverse fair value gap on both indexes, bro. I genuinely can't see us going any higher than that. Okay, when we start teleporting, I mean, it's kind of annoying. Alright, teleporting, I guess, alright. If we blitz through this gap, I swear I will be pissed off because there's no way, bro. We already reset the high. We already set the high on ES. We created S&T. We did everything. This might be unprofitable trading, bro. I'm just not feeling it go higher, bro. I can't feel it. Like, it honestly feels like stupid, bro. Like, if you wanted to long this right now, I'd genuinely slap you across your face. Or even thought about longing this, bro. 9 o'clock is going to push this either up or down. I genuinely actually thought about longing this right now. I'm genuinely kick your ass. It's like genuinely way too much. Here we go. Market's been waiting for 9 o'clock to do something. Wait for freaking smokes. If we start disrespecting this gap, I'm out of here. Okay, I guess 9 o'clock doesn't do jack shit. Yeah, it's just pretty bearish. What the heck? Okay, this, I'm literally feeling this, bro. Like, I don't think there's any reason to go any lower. I mean, higher. It's like 100% taking on my edge trade, bro. So they just ES fucking everything up with that. Like, you already swept out your high. You swept out this high, you reswept your 5-minute high. You literally. Okay, S&T with NASDAQ. Change order flow to go lower. So freaking 5-minute gaps anymore, bro. That 5-minute gap doesn't even matter anymore. Okay, I like this trade. The only thing that I shouldn't have done is probably take this trade because my roll is one trade. But this trade, I just short seems so freaking good. But I literally don't seem. It just seems dumb for the market to keep going up. Like, look, bro. We respected 30-minute gap. I took a trade because we respected 30-minute gap. Or actually, yeah, we can't even go any lower. Like, bro, what is this? I'm out of this trade. If we break structure out of here, I'm down now. Shit is so stupid, dude. Shit is so autistic to me, bro. Like, do you want to sleep out these highs or something? You could just want to sweat these highs, but who knows? bro. Let's try these goats, bro. I mean, we are getting rejection candles off of that, but at the same time, we just freaking tank or something. Like, I don't see any reason for us to be going higher. I see a reason for us to go lower. No reason for us to go higher. I want to be in this trade, but I also don't. But also, nothing's happened to where I can actually be like, oh yeah, that happened, so I should be out of the trade. But it's also like, it's so freaking bullish for no reason. Who knows? We're genuinely just caught camping around my entry point. Like, I like this trade, but I don't like this trade. I like this trade, but I don't like this trade because it should go down, but it's also really bullish. It should go down, but it's also really bullish. So, I'm freaking out. But like, look at this, bro. Look at this, tell me you want to be in this trade right now. Oh my god. We swept these highs out. Swept the highs out of this. S&P divergence. Inverse freaking both of these gaps. This just doesn't make sense to me at all, bro. Holy frick, bro. This price action is so ugly, bro. Like, bro, Jane, what's wrong with these ugly candles, bro? Why are you pressing it so bad? Like, bro, look at this, bro. Like, what is this price action? Alright, but also trade, but that's it. We're up. Oh, turn out, yeah, we're up. Up freaking 150 today, and that's it. So I'll go tomorrow, no better.